Hello and welcome back to Growth English Channel.
Hi everyone, we're so happy you're here with us today.
If you're new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video. It really helps us a lot.
Hi everyone, it's so good to see you. I'm David.
And I'm Jannie. We're here to help you practice real, everyday English.
That's right, today we're going to talk about something very important for conversation.
Exactly. We're going to learn how to describe our feelings, how to talk about emotions in English.
So, how are you today, Jannie?
I'm really good, David. Actually, I'm feeling quite happy.
Oh, I'm happy too. I had a very nice weekend. It was relaxing. What did you do on Saturday?
I just stayed home, watched movies, and I cooked a big dinner. It was perfect.
That sounds lovely. I was a little bored on Saturday, but on Sunday I called my sister and we talked for a long time. That made me feel much better.
Talking to family is always nice. So you were bored and then you felt happy.
Exactly. See, we are already talking about emotions.
We are, and that's our topic. Perfect.
Let's start with some basic feelings. The most common one, happy. When do you feel happy, Jannie?
I feel happy right now talking to you. I also feel happy when I eat my favorite food. Pizza always makes me happy.
Pizza makes me happy too. Another word for happy is glad. I'm glad to be here today. You can also say pleased, like I am pleased with this conversation. But out of all these words, happy is definitely the most common in everyday English.
That makes sense. Now, what about the opposite of happy?
The opposite is sad. I feel sad when it rains for many days. The sky is gray and I miss the sun.
I feel sad too when I watch a sad movie. Sometimes I even cry a little. But it's okay to feel sad. It's a normal emotion.
Other words similar to sad are upset or unhappy. For example, I was upset when I lost my keys yesterday.
Oh no, did you find them?
Yes, luckily they were in my bag the whole time. I felt a bit silly, but upset is interesting. It can also mean a little angry sometimes. Like when someone says something unkind, you might feel upset.
Ah, I see. So upset is a mix of sad and a little angry. I like that.
Another common emotion is angry.
Ooh, angry. I don't like feeling angry.
Me neither, but sometimes I get angry, like when my computer is very, very slow and I need to finish my work.
Yes, that's frustrating. Speaking of which, frustrated is a good word. It's like a small anger, but also tired of the problem. You want to solve it, but you can't.
Exactly. I get frustrated when I can't understand something complicated, like a difficult instruction manual.
I know that feeling. And there's also annoyed, which is smaller than angry, like if a fly is buzzing near your face, or someone is talking loudly on the phone next to you.
Yes, annoyed is just a small irritation, not big anger.
Let's talk about being scared.
Scared. I am scared of big spiders. Really, really scared.
You can also say afraid. I am afraid of heights, like tall buildings or cliffs. And sometimes we are just a little scared or nervous, like before a big test.
Yes, nervous is a good one. I feel nervous before I speak English sometimes, even now.
But you speak English so well. There's no need to be nervous.
Thank you. But sometimes I worry. Worried is another feeling. It's when you think about a problem a lot in your head.
Like when my friend was sick last month, I was very worried about her.
I hope she is okay now.
She is. Being worried is like your mind is very busy with one thought.
Let's talk about some positive feelings again. What about excited?
I love feeling excited. It's a happy, energetic feeling about the future. I get excited before a holiday or before I see my old friends. My brother is visiting next week, and I'm so excited.
That's wonderful. I was excited for our video today. I couldn't sleep last night.
Really? That's true excitement.
How about tired? That's a physical feeling and sometimes an emotional one.
Oh, I know this one well. I feel tired in the morning. My eyes are heavy.
You're not a morning person.
No, I am not. I am exhausted in the morning. That means very, very tired. And after a long day of work, I often feel exhausted too.
And sometimes we can feel surprised.
Yes, you surprised me on my birthday last week with flowers.
I did. You had a surprised face. Your mouth was open. It was funny.
It was a good surprise, a pleasant surprise. Sometimes surprises are bad, like a sudden loud noise, but this was good. So we can say pleasant surprise, unpleasant surprise, or just shocked for a very big surprise.
Shocked is very strong. If you win a lot of money, you are shocked.
Okay, what about feeling confused?
Confused means you don't understand. Your thoughts are mixed. I feel confused by complicated maps or road signs in a new city.
I feel confused sometimes when I try to cook a new recipe. Too many instructions. Do I add this first or that? I just stand there confused.
We all feel confused sometimes. How about lonely?
That's a sad feeling. Lonely means you feel alone, even if people are around. Sometimes you just want company.
It's important to call a friend when you feel lonely. Hopeful is a nicer feeling about the future.
Hopeful means you think good things will happen. I am hopeful about my English learning. I am hopeful I will be better next year.
And I am hopeful our viewers are learning a lot today. I'm hopeful this video helps them.
Proud is a strong, warm feeling. You feel proud when you or someone you love does something good.
Like, I feel proud of you when you learn a new difficult word. And I feel proud of myself when I finish a big project at work. Or proud of my little niece when she reads a book.
That's sweet. Okay, another one. Embarrassed.
Oh, I don't like this one.
Why? What happens?
You feel embarrassed when you make a small, silly mistake in public. Your face gets hot and red, like tripping on the street.
Yes, I feel very embarrassed then. My face gets so red.
My face gets red too. Once I called my teacher Mom by accident. I was so embarrassed.
Oh no, I did that too in school. We are the same.
How about bored?
Bored is when you have nothing interesting to do. Your mind feels empty. I feel bored on long train rides sometimes.
I feel bored in long meetings. I look at the clock again and again.
How about jealous?
Jealous can be a bad feeling. It's when you want something another person has. Like if my friend gets a new car and I want it, I might feel jealous. A nicer word is impressed.
Yes, impressed is good. It means you think something is very good. I am impressed by people who speak 3 languages.
Me too. Let's do relieved.
Relieved is a great feeling. It's when you are worried about something, then the problem finishes okay and you feel relaxed.
Yes, like when I wait for test results from the doctor and the results are good. I feel so relieved.
I felt relieved when I passed my driving test. I was so nervous, then relieved.
What about disappointed?
Disappointed is like sad, but specifically when something you wanted or expected doesn't happen.
Exactly. Now, some feelings are more complex. How about guilty?
Guilty is heavy. You feel guilty when you think you did something wrong, like forgetting a friend's birthday.
How about ashamed?
Ashamed is stronger. You feel very bad and don't want people to know. Guilt plus embarrassment.
That is difficult. Let's talk about curious.
Curious is wonderful. You want to know more. I am curious about other cultures.
I am curious about space. Questions always come to my mind.
Yes. What about grateful or thankful?
Grateful means you appreciate something or someone. I am grateful for my family.
I am grateful for our viewers. That's a warm, positive feeling.
Anxious is one people say a lot. Is it like nervous?
Similar. Anxious is a stronger, longer feeling of worry, like before a long trip. Did I forget my passport?
I feel anxious about job interviews. My hands get sweaty.
And finally, overwhelmed.
That's a big word.
Yes, but the feeling is common. Overwhelmed is when you have too many feelings or tasks at once. You feel stuck.
Oh, I feel overwhelmed on Monday mornings. So many emails, so many tasks.
The best thing is to do one small thing first, but it's a strong emotion.
So we have happy, sad, angry, frustrated, annoyed, scared, afraid, nervous, worried, excited, content, tired, exhausted, surprised, shocked, confused, lonely, hopeful, proud, embarrassed, bored, jealous, impressed, relieved, disappointed, guilty, ashamed, curious, grateful, anxious, overwhelmed.
That is a lot, but we use these words all the time. The most important thing is to try to use them, even if you just say, I feel good, or I feel bad.
And asking others, how do you feel, is a very kind question.
Exactly. So, how do you feel now, David, after talking about all these emotions?
I feel thoughtful and a little hungry. Talking about pizza made me hungry.
And I feel happy and grateful. This was a good talk.
I think so too. Let's practice a few together. I will say a situation, and you say the emotion.
Okay.
You are waiting for a bus, and it is very late. You have an important meeting.
I feel frustrated and anxious.
Good. Your best friend gives you a gift for no reason.
I feel surprised, happy, and grateful.
You see a very small, cute puppy.
Oh, so happy. Maybe excited? A warm feeling.
See? You're an expert.
We talked about so many feelings. Maybe we should review a few of the most useful words.
Good idea. Let's pick 5 or 6 words that are very common but maybe tricky.
Okay. First word, frustrated.
Frustrated is not exactly angry. It's when you try to do something but cannot. You feel blocked, tired, and a little angry. Example, I feel frustrated when I cannot open a jar of food.
Perfect. My example, I feel frustrated when a website I need is very slow.
Next, content. Content means peaceful, happy, satisfied. My example, Sunday afternoon, finishing all my work, sitting with a book and cup of tea. I feel content.
Lovely. My example, after a family dinner, full stomach, people I love around, I feel content.
Relieved comes after worry. Problem is gone, deep relaxation. Example, waiting for important news, phone rings with good news, I say, I am so relieved.
My example, looking for a lost phone everywhere, finally finding it, feeling immediately relieved.
Disappointed, sad about expectations not met. Example, plan a picnic, it rains, I feel disappointed.
My example, wait months for favorite band concert, get sick, cannot go, disappointed.
Grateful, warm positive feeling,
appreciate something or someone. Example, neighbor brings a meal when I'm busy. I feel grateful.
My example, every morning I am grateful for my warm bed.
Embarrassed, red-faced feeling. Do something silly in public. Example, quiet meeting, stomach makes a loud noise, feel embarrassed.
Walking, talking, don't see glass door, walk into it. Face completely red, embarrassed.
So to review, frustrated, content, relieved, disappointed, grateful, embarrassed.
Try using these words this week. Even small thoughts. I am grateful for my coffee. Or I am frustrated with traffic. Practice makes perfect.
It helps you understand yourself. Wow, Jannie, we talked a long time about many emotions.
We really did. I feel like I know my own feelings better just from talking.
Me too. Let's think about what we practiced today.
The biggest thing? Learning the names for many feelings. Started with the big four, happy, sad, angry, scared, then learned more specific words inside those big feelings.
You don't have to just say happy, you can say excited, content, proud, sad, upset, disappointed, angry, frustrated, annoyed, scared, afraid, nervous, anxious, mixes, embarrassed, jealous, guilty, wonderful, grateful, thankful, hopeful.
All feelings are okay. It's normal to feel sad, angry, scared, or frustrated. Important, talk about it.
If you say, I feel frustrated, it helps others understand and help you. I feel grateful makes others feel good too.
Don't be shy to try these words. Start easy. I am happy. I am tired. I am nervous. Then, I feel content. I am relieved.
Practice makes perfect. A great way is to write. That's why we have our question of the day.
Yes, today's question, what is one emotion you feel often and why? You can answer with one word if you want.
Think about daily life. Happy because of your job? Tired because of a new baby? Curious about learning English? Grateful for family? Frustrated with traffic? Any feeling is okay.
Write your answer in the comments below. We read every comment. Learning together is what makes this community special.
Before we go, Jannie, ask me the question.
Okay, David, what is one emotion you feel often and why?
One emotion I feel often is hopeful. Every day I see people trying to learn, get better. I see viewers improving. It makes me believe good things are always possible. I feel very hopeful for the future.
That's a beautiful answer. It makes me feel hopeful too. Now me. One emotion I feel often is grateful. I am grateful for simple things, good food, a home, my health, and for getting to sit here and talk with you, Jannie, and all our viewers. It's a special part of my week. Thank you for sharing, David, and thank you everyone for being here. Keep learning, keep feeling, and keep talking. We'll see you next time for another Real English conversation.